mind your business, okay? It's only because there has been a few new makeup releases on the market that I have them. I've just not gotten around to actually using them. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a full face of new to me makeup. I am gonna use it. I will tell you what I think about the product as I am using it. I might also at the end of the day do a wear test just so we can see how these products wear on the skin. But before we jump into it, make sure your lips are moisturized, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey. Majority of the newly launched products are foundation or base-based makeup, so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna start off with some sun protection. This is by Kiehl's. It's called Better Screen UV Serum. It's a sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF 50. It has collagen peptides, and it's saying it helps visibly correct fine lines, uneven skin tone, and dull skin. I've actually been using a brand new vitamin C from Kiehl's. I've been using it morning and night. What I'm mostly interested in when it comes to the sunscreen is whether or not it's gonna leave a white cast or whether or not it's gonna make my skin look ashy. I don't want to look like a vampire. Does it say how much we should actually be putting on our skin? Like, could I really put 2 lines of this on my skin, and how would it look? Am I gonna look ashy after blending this SPF 50 in? My skin is even more hydrated than it was when I started filming right now. When I started filming, like, I thought I was glowed up, but this Kiehl's SPF said you could glow up some more. This SPF actually looks really, really nice on. I will rate this product a 10 because of what it looks like on. It's giving me extra moisture. Next, we're gonna use some Live tinted products. For today, we're trying out their brand new Hue Skin Serum Concealer. I think these are the 2 deepest shades that Live tinted offers. I'm gonna use these later, but for today, for right now, I'm gonna be trying out these 2 Live tinted Hue sticks. I have the shade Rise and the shade Origin. Generally, I will gravitate towards the deeper one, which is Origin. Origin is a ooh, okay. I haven't actually used any of these lip tinted products. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful copper tone. When you open it, it looks like this, almost looks like a lipstick. This is how much you get with your purchase. This is the shade of Origin. Origin is a very deep, gorgeous, gorgeous red tone, and the shade Rise is more of that very burnt orange shade, and this is what that looks like on. These 2 colors serve 2 different purposes for my skin tone. For my skin tone, I can use the shade Origin to hide any dark circles or dark spots on my skin. The shade Rise, I can use to help me brighten my concealer. I will blend a little bit of Origin in. Ooh, my skin is so moisturized right now. This is nice. Do you see the tone on this? It's definitely buildable, but it's not insane looking. I'm just gonna blend it in with my hand. It needs a little bit of help just melting in. If you have dark circles on your under eyes and you're as deep as me, this shade will work beautifully on you. I'm also gonna color correct around my mouth with Origin. My skin is about to look flawless. If you're dark skinned and you're looking for a gorgeous color corrector that will work for you and you get variety, definitely check these out. Of course, it's not only for dark skin girlies, it's for the brown skin girlies, it's for everybody. But the fact that they have shades deep enough for me to be able to use. These are the 2 new foundations new to me that I have in PR right now. There are a few that I have picked up that I will try for you later, but these are the brand new Makeup Forever HD Skin Hydra Glow Foundation. We have the deepest shade and the second deepest shade. Okay, this is the deepest shade. Before I actually got some sun, that deepest shade was looking a bit too, and the second deepest shade was looking very, very light on me. But now it looks like the deepest shade is something that I could possibly use and blend into my skin and it would look good. I'm gonna blend a little bit of both on the back of my hand. I think that it will sit very beautifully on my primer base. I'm gonna leave these 2 on just so we can see whether or not it will oxidize and change tones. I have swatched a few foundations that have not actually looked really good, that have ended up changing tones on me, so I want to see if this will do the same. Do you see this? It did oxidize on us. The shade that I thought was too light on the back of my hand. When it dried down, it's not as bright as it was initially, right? And this shade definitely got a lot deeper. I want to go in with I want to go in with the shade 4R76. I saw a video from a makeup artist that said to use a foundation that was a little bit lighter compared to how I like to do it, which is a little bit deeper. This is the second deepest shade of the Makeup Forever HD Skin Hydro Glow. Oh my god, this is so bright. One thing a dark skin makeup girly can do is make a light foundation work for her. It is definitely too bright for me. I'm just gonna go over everything with a sponge. I don't have a close to perfect match in this foundation range, but the finish on it is very, very beautiful. Next, we're trying the lip tinted concealers. These are Hue Skin Serum Concealers. This is the shade number 1, and I think the shade number 1 is the deepest shade that they have. Ooh. This is a brush spoolie. I love how the brush spoolie feels on the skin. This is the second deepest shade, and I'm gonna use shade number 2 as my concealer. I love the spoolie on this. You will be able to just brush it on. It feels so nice, but blending it in with a brush, I'm doing a full coverage beat today. I am definitely too stunned to speak right now. The lip tinted concealer blends in so nice. It's so creamy. This concealer is so beautiful on the skin. Do you see how quickly it disappeared into my skin? I know my base is entirely too light today, but the concealer blended in so beautifully. For my regular foundation shade, the shade number 1 will be my concealing shade. The shade number 2 will be my brightening shade. Okay, I'm going to cheat a little bit and use the brush that I used yesterday to blend in the Fall N78 over the other parts of my face because this foundation is entirely too light for me. This is the Refi Lash Sculpt Mascara, and it says black. That's it. There are no extravagant descriptions on the box. There's nothing on the packaging either. This is the spoolie that got me, okay? It's so crazy looking. It looks like a weave needle. Like, it's just so odd. And the spindles on here are so crazy. Okay, Refi, you got me. I'm gonna try this. I don't have black eyeliner on, so it's not gonna like obscure the lashes. We just wanna see. The spindles gripped my lashes. This girl put me on hold and hasn't come back. The spindles gripped my lashes so hard. I like the spindles on this. The spindles on the inside are so little. It's like literally catching all the very tiny hairs I have in the front. And because of the shape of this, it's not ruining my brown liner that I have going on. Oh, now I understand the shape. You don't have to like have your hand at a weird angle. The shape of this literally fits the curve of your eye and it catches onto all your lashes without you trying. Okay, now I understand it. Because when I first saw this, I thought this is so odd. I feel like this is gonna work so well on my lower lashes as well because of how little the spindles on here are. Lord, if you catch me out here batting my eyes all over the place, please just mind your business, okay? It's only because my lash game has been on fleek lately. And if the formula is good, I'll keep using it. Long gone are the days where we all did not mess with drugstore lashes because they look like boxes. Like literally, they were ugly. Kiss sent this over and this is their new Rebel collection. The lashes in this collection are so flippin' gorgeous. Okay, let me show you a few of them. This is a volume up. Look at it. Okay, this is Rockstar. It's definitely given cat eye. This is the lash smudged. Look how pretty. We're bringing back big lashes. Like Ohemaa is, I am a big lash girly. Okay, look, this is main character. This is main character energy over here. Probably gonna go with this one because it's long. It's not as dense as one of the other cut eyes I showed you, and it's also pretty. And last but not least, from what I have, this is the style Downtown Girl. Okay. Okay, kids. Like I see you. I need to recurve the band. Peel it off. You have to recurve it, or it's gonna come out looking straight. So just hold the band and wiggle a little bit. Super strong lash adhesive in the shade black. Like, tell me I'm not the only one who feels like black lash glues always do a better job at holding compared to like clear lash glue. I really like this. Let's go in with blush. I have a special treat for you. We got somehow on the Valentino PR list. And Valentino, if you're watching this, please don't kick me off the PR. Valentino sent over their eye to cheek dual use blush and eyeshadow. This is what it looks like. Okay, as soon as I saw the Valentino box, I thought, did I buy something? This is so luxe. Look at it. Wow. Okay, this is the palette number 5. Oh, it comes with a little, look, it comes with a brush on the inside of it. We're gonna use it. And I like applying blushes to the highest points of my cheek, so that's what I'm doing. And it's very subtle on. I love what this looks like. I've been liking very subtle blushes, especially when my eyeshadow is a little bit on the bold side. But this is obviously buildable. It is so pretty. It has a slight sheen to it. And this is gonna be one of those blushes that make you think that they're not so pigmented. And then you put it all over your face, and next thing you know, you're overly blushed and you're just wondering what happened, you know? Of course, I put blush on my nose, so let's go ahead and do that. Generally, I will stay away from a blush that looks like this because I don't see it showing up on my skin tone, okay? But Valentino said that this will show up. This is so pretty. I love this, and it goes so nicely with my eyeshadow. Okay, next we have a few shimmering lipsticks from Half Magic. But before we do that, I'm gonna line with this NYX Cosmetics eyeliner. I'm so excited for this glitter lipstick. This is from Half Magic. It says Sparkle 911, and there's a lot of goodies in here. We're going to be using the Magic Drip Glitter Lip Gloss. I already opened one. It's this faint pink lipstick. I think this is what inspired me to do this look. I don't know how pink it's going to be. It's going to need a little bit of help showing up. So I'm using the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch in the shade Wonder. We're going in with our shade Y2K Cheer Club. She will be gorgeous all by herself. But on top of this, stunning. Next we have Rare Beauty again. We have the brand new Rare Beauty introducing their 2 new shades to their best-selling Positive Light Silk Touch highlighters. We have the shade Deep Bronze and Warm Copper. Oh, this is deep bronze. Oh, I see. Look at these. Warm Copper, Deep Bronze. Warm Copper, Deep Bronze. Warm Copper, Deep. I'm going in with Deep Bronze. I'm taking a fluffy brush. We're bringing back the 2016 highlighter glow, okay? Like, I don't care. I'm doing it. I really want to use my Milk Makeup setting spray, but I can't find it, so we're using the NYX Marshmallow. Okay, you guys, this is my finished look. Trying a bunch of new products. The only product that I think I absolutely would say maybe hold off on because I don't have my exact shade. If you use me as your shade reference, would be the Hydro Glow. It's also a deeper one that I have used that I can make work. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Have you tried or used any of the products that I used today? What do you think about them? Do you like any products that I used today? Would you be picking it up? And if you need to see any more video reviews, check out these 2 videos right here.